So once again, good day and welcome to our lesson 4, and it's all about discriminant. So discriminant is a part of the quadratic formula. Discriminant is in the form of b squared minus 4ac. Kung naaalala ninyo, sa quadratic formula natin, yung nandun sa may loob ng radical sign, yun ay b squared minus 4ac. Okay? So yun yung discriminant. So what does it mean by finding the discriminant? It describes the nature of the roots. Okay? Nature of the roots ang hinahanap natin kapag hinahanap natin yung discriminant. Okay? So this module will focus on solving discriminants and determining the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. By the way, the nature of the roots, ito yung distinction niya. If the discriminant is greater than 0, mas malaki sa 0, then the roots are real and unequal. Okay? If the discriminant is equal 0, then the roots are real and equal. Magkaiba yan, ha? Kapag greater than 0, real and unequal. Kapag equal kay 0, real and equal. Okay? E paano kapag less than 0 yung discriminant? If the discriminant is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. Okay? So let's try this in examples. Example number 1, solve for the discriminant of 3x squared plus 2x plus 5 equals 0. Kagaya sa quadratic formula, first thing to do is identify the A, B, and C. Okay? So let's identify A. That is 3. Okay? Yung katabi ni x squared. How about the B? What do you think? What is our B? Yung katabi ni x. Okay? Positive 2. Next. What is our C? The constant. Positive 5. Okay? Meron ka ng A. Meron ka ng B. Meron ka ng C. Substitute mo na saan? Sa ating discriminant. Okay? Yung discriminant ay b squared minus 4ac. Okay? So let's just substitute and simplify. So we have 2 squared minus 4 times 3 times 5. Okay? So as follows. Yung b, yun yung 2. Yung 3, yun yung a. Yung 5, yun yung c. Okay? And then, let's try to simplify one by one. Simplify natin si 2 squared. Okay? Simplify natin si 2 squared. What is 2 squared? That is 4. Okay? And then, simplify natin yung mahaba. Negative 4 times 3 times 5. Isa-isa. Negative 4 times 3. Negative 12. Times 5. Negative 60. Okay? And then, simplify ulit natin siya. 4 minus 60. Yung 4 bawasan mo ng 60, negative 56. Now, ito yung question. Si negative 56 ba ay greater than 0? Hindi. Okay? Si negative 56 ba ay equal sa 0? Hindi. Eh ano si negative 56? Mas mababa. Sir, bakit? Bakit mas mababa sa 0? Eh kasi nga negative number siya. Okay? Kung maaalala ninyo, ang lahat ng negative numbers ay mas mababa sa 0. Or mas mababa rin siya sa positive numbers. Okay? Kaya since negative number siya ay less than 0. Therefore, the nature of our roots is imaginary. Okay? Imaginary. Tandaan, kapag less than, imaginary. Okay? Next example, solve for the discriminant of 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 equals 0. First thing to do, identify the A, B, and C. So what is A? The numerical coefficient of x squared. That is 2. Okay? And then what is B? The numerical coefficient of x, which is negative 5. What is C? The constant, positive 2. And then, we have A, B, and C. We will just substitute it to our discriminant. Okay? B squared minus 4AC. So, just substitute and simplify. we have negative 5 squared minus 4 times 2 times 2. Let's just simplify this one by one. Unahin natin si negative 5 squared. Negative 5 squared. What is negative 5 squared? That is positive 25. Okay? And then, negative 4 times 2 times 2. Okay? Negative 4 times 2. Negative 8 times 2. Negative 16. Okay? So we have minus 16. Now, 25 minus 16, that is 9. Now, 9. Ang 9 ba ay mas malaki? Sorry. Ang 9 ba ay mas malaki sa 0? Of course. Why? Kasi positive number siya. Therefore, 9 is greater than 0. Kaya ang nature ng roots natin ay real and unequal. Real and unequal kapag greater than 0. Okay? Next example, x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 0. First thing to do, identify the a, b, and c. Okay? So what is our a? Imaginary numerical coefficient, 1. Okay? What is our b? Positive, 4. What is our c? Constant, positive, 4. Okay? And then, we have a, b, and c. We will just substitute it to our discriminant, b squared minus 4ac. Substitute and simplify. So we have 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 4. Isa-isayin natin. Bakit 4 squared? Kasi yan yung b. Bakit 1? Yan yung a. Bakit 4? Yan yung c. Okay? Now, simplify 1 by 1. Unahin natin si 4 squared. What is 4 squared? That is 4 times 4 or 16. Okay? Next, negative 4 times 1 times 4. Negative 4 times 1. Any number multiplied to 1 is always the number itself. So we have negative 4 times 4. That is negative 16. Okay? Now, meron tayong 16 minus 16. 16 minus 16. That is 0. Ang 0 ba ay greater than kay 0? Hindi. Ang 0 ba ay less than sa 0? Hindi. Ang 0 ba ay equal sa 0? Yes. Okay? 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, kapag ka-equal ang discriminant natin sa 0, ang nature ng roots niya ay real and equal. Okay? So, thought of the day, do more of what makes you happy. I hope you learned a lot today. Keep safe. Palaging tandaan, maghugas kamay, social distancing, wear your mask kapag lalabas kayo. Drink a lot. Okay? That's all. Goodbye.